So I want to show you guys my ZIASABER. I got the Tavros one, which comes with all this. So here's the hilt. It comes with the 4 screws, Allen wrench, little card, manual, and the lightsaber itself. Let's put it together. So I tighten the little screws. There's 4 of them, but they're different sizes. 2 are longer and 2 are shorter. So I just put the longer ones opposite from each other and the shorter ones opposite from each other. Depending how long you hold the button for, it does a different thing. So there's instruction when the saber is on and when the saber is off. So here's the button. Let's hold it.
Power on.
Power on. Tap it once. There you go. It's on and it's making the noise. You could hear it. Which is pretty cool. So you press it once really quick, it shoots a beam. That one I held for 2 seconds. A quick little press. So you hold it for 3 seconds, it changes colors. So whatever color you decide, once it's on that color, you press the button again and it'll stay on that color. So I'm waiting for red. Red! There we go. So I pressed it on red and it stood on red. That's how it looks. It's pretty nice in the dark. I'm very happy.